I walked into this sale last week looking for my usual vinyl records, old instruments, instruments that needed a repair, but what I found was shocking. I asked the homeowner, is there any vinyl, any vintage instruments that maybe need to be repaired? And the answer is just absolutely no, nothing. Kids took everything. This is just the last of the items in our life for the garage sale, probably before they had an estate sale. But then she says, there is a poster. It's in the study, she called it, or a reading room, second bedroom. You're welcome to go have a look at that. Okay, this is the legendary, iconic image from the audio hi-fi wars, cassette tape wars from the 70s, the 80s, and the 90s. Now let me tell you, this thing is massive. This is not a poster from Z Gallery. This is a imported by a company in New York museum piece, or a gallery piece it's called. And when you look at the way it's constructed, it's incredible.